The reason why Nnamdi Kanu lawyers refuse cross-examination, demand end of trial, no case submission, we really interest you. You see, this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu legal team, they not come break melon. And right now, the Nigerian government prosecution, they are really scared of them. That is the truth. The prosecution team, they hurriedly close their case. Nobody forced them to do that because they have seen that their witness is messing up. Their witnesses, have been messing up all this time being. Meanwhile, Kanu defense team just find out that all these years, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu time is just being wasted by the Nigerian government. No case. No case. I've never seen when somebody will come and say, oh, I was investigator. I investigated Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in so year, when he was arrested, this and that and all that. You will present a document. And when they will ask you question about that document, you will start forming loss of memory. I don't have knowledge about that. Oh, I'm not aware of that. Are you kidding me? This is, it was that the PW4, the PW, that is the number 4 witness, that DDD, and this EEE. These two of them really messed up the whole case. And I believe that is the reason why they rushed. Federal government of Nigeria angrily, closed that case because it was an international disgrace. Come to think of, say, they have visitors in the court, the US observers, the UN observers, Kenya delegates, they were all there when all these things were happening. That is the reason why they angrily closed that case. Nnamdi Kanu time was wasted. He was dehumanized in DSS custody for these good 4 years, and there is no case. No evidence against him. The government of Nigeria could not even prove anything. It's wrong. Justice Binta Nyako joined humiliate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He sat down on this case for good 4 years just because of hatred. She was just there acting a script. She was asked to. It was wrong. I always tell us here that now we dey feel say case they go on. Before, we know they know now. We go just here say, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will appear in court today. After 30 minutes, the case has been adjourned. That woman, I don't even know how she should be feeling by now. I've never seen somebody like that in my own life. So, the matter when be saying, when they grant now, Justice James Omotosho of the Federal High Court in Abuja on Thursday, 5th July 18, 2025, for the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, to open his defense in the terrorism charges filed against him by the federal government of Nigeria. So the date was announced on Thursday, following the federal government decision to close its case after presenting 5 failed witnesses who testified in support of the charges. There are, however, strong indications now that Kanu may opt to file a no-case submission, arguing that he was not properly linked to the alleged terrorism incident cited by the prosecution. So the lead counsel for the federal government, Omowolu San, announced the closure of the case after the 5th prosecution witness, identified as EEE for security reasons, concluded his testimony and cross-examination by Kanu's lawyer, Ikpeazu San. So Omowolu stated that the prosecution was satisfied with the evidence presented, which included broadcasts attributed to the IPOB leader. I therefore close the case, he declared. So responding, the lead defense counsel, Kanu Agbebi San, informed the court of their intention to file a non-case submission, which will be entered in due case. Earlier during the proceedings, the 5th prosecution witness, a Department of State Service (DSS) official based at the agency headquarters in Abuja testified that he led a team of operatives to the southern region of Nigeria to collect records related to the NSAS protest between 2020 and 2021. So according to the witness, his team mandate was to document the destruction of public property and gather death certificates of security personnel who lost their lives during the demonstrations. So the court admitted 3 documents presented by the witness: a report of the NSAS assessment, a list of fallen officials, and corresponding death certificates. The defense team, however, noted that they would formally register their objection later. So the documents were marked as Exhibit PWD2, PWD2A, and PWD2B. So guys, I'm dropping it here. Please kindly drop your comments below the comment section. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Share this video, let it go viral so that Nigerians will understand what is happening in this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.